Porterville is a proud part of California's Citrus Belt, where farming is big business. Passenger vehicles often share the road with farm equipment, and when collisions happen, they can be serious. Farm equipment often lacks safety features that would increase their visibility in dim lighting, and their size and weight can make the injuries from a crash even more severe. Seeking compensation for your injuries after an accident involving farm equipment can be more complicated too. Since they're professional vehicles, liability becomes more complex. A personal injury claim could involve more than just the person who is operating the farm equipment during the crash. Liability can extend to their employer or the farm itself. It might even include the manufacturer or maintenance providers. At Mason Law, we want you to have the resources you need for a full recovery. That starts with a free consultation with one of our attorneys to understand all your legal options. So if you or someone you know has been injured in an accident involving farm equipment in Porterville, contact Mason Law right away.